Hey guys, welcome to another episode of JBS Garage. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. And yeah, let's get into it. Today, in this video, we've got the Chinese 125 engine. Now this one is a 156 FMI, and what the actual number stands for here, which you guys didn't know probably, right? Same as the YBR engine, that's a 5VL, also known as a 154 FMI. This is a 156 FMI. Yeah, they're both 125 engines, yeah? What it means is the 1 stands for single cylinder. So, yeah, 156 FMI. 154 FMI, yeah? So say for example you had a 255 FMM, that would be like a 250, do you know what I mean? There's a 2 twin cylinder 250, you know? And what the 56 or 54 stands for is 56mm wide bore and a 54mm wide bore. But if the board size is different, how are they both 125s? Well, the stroke is different. Because when you calculate a bore, a CC, it's not just the bore, like the width of the piston or anything that you measure, it's how wide it is and how much room it takes up, like how much it can go up and down. It's the bore times stroke. So by having a more of a stroke on a YBR engine, it's got more torque and more power, basically. This one's more just, it is what it is, it's 2mm less on the piston. That's not even that much when you think about it. But yeah. It's seized, we're going to find out why it's seized, we're going to start tearing it down. Let's get fucking into it, boys. Yeah! Let's get right into it then. Let's get me a 10mm socket. I've got me a ratchet there. Use the old 10mm. We'll start. Oh, that's a bit tight, you know. What I might do is there's a little oil feed at the top. I'm going to crack that off as well. Just so I don't have to. That's cracked off. Get the old 10mm on here. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Where's my 10mm? So, got a different 10mm now. I'm going to try again. Oh, this one's a piece of shit. Fucking hell. This 10mm is the worst 10mm ever, this one. I can promise you that. But let's crack that one off. Let's now crack that one off. And let's now crack that one off. So for a 10mm, it may be shit, but as a impact gun, it's actually alright. Let's get the rocker cover off. See, on the YBR head you have two little caps, one either side that you remove. For this engine, the Chinese pushrod 156 FMI, there's two 156 FMI engines. There's this one, and there's the overhead cam one, which is the same as the old Sim and the old Boolean. But this one is the pushrod one. And yeah, just taking this off so you can have a look inside. I wonder what's going down in Chinatown. Give it a good tap. Still got oil in it, the oil at the top. I'll probably just drain that down that way, because you know I don't really want oil everywhere. Both of those are very tight. I'm not sure if it's in the middle of a stroke or something, you know. Let me just take this spark plug out. Stand up, you bastard. I'm going to put the feeler gauges underneath it so it can't fall over. Well, shouldn't be able to anyway, not can't. Hey, why is this fitting then? Bloody hell, I have to use a different spark plug call for once. I have to use a different one of these. Bloody hell. Oh, these don't even fit. Bloody hell, guys, bloody hell. Let's have a look here then, let's have a look here. Alright, so the spark plug is a D8RTC torch plug, but in other words, that's an NGK D8EA spark plug. Let's see, try turn it over now that the plug's removed. Right. No movement on the kickstart. Nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a battery and I'm going to try and turn it over with the battery quick, and then I'm going to come back because I don't really want to show you guys how fucking stupid I am in most situations. Nice. So my stupidity wasn't for no reason. I've just topped it up with the YBR's oil, so it's got a little bit more oil in it for a minute. But yeah, watch what happens when I put the wires together then. Can't be that seized then, can it? Happy days. But yeah, I just couldn't do it by the kickstart, could I, Verno? Yeah, she's definitely free to turn over. I'm just going to still dismantle the entire thing, still rebuild it, just because, I don't know, it made a weird bearing noise at the start when I first turned it over, like a grinding noise. I'm going to see if it makes it again this time. Yeah, not sure if you guys can hear that, but it's definitely making a noise of some sort. Not good. Also, isn't oil supposed to come up here somewhere? I wonder where that is then. Why is no oil coming to the top end then? Because oil is supposed to squirt down on top of there, and somewhere else, through up here. Maybe that's what's wrong with it somewhere. Because I'm sure there's supposed to be oil coming out there, you know. I'm sure of it, because where's the rocker cover? Oh, I must have brought it outside already. Look in the rocker cover. What does this show you? That is oil squirters. It comes up through here and squirts oil. That's the oil gallery I was on about a minute ago. So don't know what to do about that. Surely to God it should have oil coming up. Weird. I'll have to look through the whole engine really, but at least I know it's not seized like I thought it was. Definitely turning over at a normal Chinese 125 pace as well. It's not like it's turning over slow or anything. It's just normal. So yeah, let's get her back on the workbench. So I've literally just got the head off. This is literally my first impressions of it. Everything's looking all right up the top. Let's look at the bottom. Oh, it's not too bad. It's a bit kicked and shit, but overall, that's not bad condition. But when we come to here, this is full of just shit everywhere. Like, so much shit. Like, loads. And this oil here is all just smelly and shit. So I'm guessing that's the oil that was supposed to be coming up and it just wasn't for some reason. Because that's the dowel it comes up of. So if you have a look. Oh no, it's literally not the dowel it comes up of. It's that one there. And that's the one it should be coming up out of. Well, because look at that, that's a different shape just to allow for it to come up. See, straight, not straight. That should be where the oil was coming up and it's not. It's all just around here. So that's a problem. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these off and I'm going to take the whole bore off. Fuck it, that's what I need to do. So the bore has literally just come off and I can see it's still got the cross hatchet all over the whole surface. There's no scoring anywhere. Right, it's just full of shit. And on that piston, yeah, it's covered in shit. Look, to the max, but there's no scoring on either side of the piston, just general wear. So it's kind of weird. I'm going to try not to agitate all that shit, and I'm going to try and get the piston off without dropping all that into like where the crank is. So I'm going to give that a go quick. Now, I don't have proper tools to do this, so I'm going to have a flathead and some standard blades really. It's very few pliers for this. I literally don't own any. I wish I owned pliers. I used to own loads. I've owned probably more pliers than I've owned fucking everything. But don't have any anymore. Right, I nearly had it to come out then. I don't really want it to ping off, but if it pings off, I ain't bothered. Does that make sense? Oh, this is annoying me though. Aha. Yeah, it's coming now. I've got it coming out. Finally. Yeah. So now I'm going to take the piston off. Or should be able to at least. The pin's not moving for some reason. Maybe like the rest pin, you know? You gotta be so careful not to scratch stuff up while doing work like this. So careful, because everything is so fragile, yeah. Hey, so push it out properly. There you go, it's all the way out now basically. There. And there you go, get a closer look. You can see it's not really any scoring at all, but it is just like filthy, you know, like ridiculously filthy. How's the crank feel? Tiniest amount of play in the corner rod, not enough to make me concerned. No up and down play or anything, only side to side, and it's only minuscule. Nothing else seems to have play in it. Okay, not a bad thing so far. Now, where's the wide brush? I have no idea how this much build up gets into someone's engine room. Like, I honestly have no idea. Like, this is crazy. Like, hella crazy. Get off of these. Yeah, that's what it's looking like at the moment. You can actually see more of a piston shape to it now, somehow. Yeah. Happy day. So that's going to be it for this video. We finally got the Kaiser engine apart. And yeah, everything's looking alright actually. It's looking pretty clean inside. Like, you can see how much movement there actually is. Like, basically nothing. About 1/4 of a mil either side. 1/2 mil total. Like, nothing. Oh, less than that probably, to be fair. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do all that usual stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.